Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kakunhul Menteri Jangka Sorkar Jilla haka apundrut ruk leber arajar pausan klaminjur benthong ke Chief Secretary Berim ke Kong Rebecca V Suchiang kum ke Chief Information Commissioner Matmai Jangka Jilla nagabenta ka samoy trekam ka balaisnem. Habakaran jigila pathai khubor no ektin Jangka Sorkar Jilla ba polling do ubulong ru Menteri ka Sorkar ulom ka jingthong ka RV Suchiang ka bade ka officer IAS blashong that kalong hadir ba ka Shuki Chief Information Commissioner klashusa thelli heding jing shong that no jongba H nong pulo ubulong officer IPS ha kha sautri unai wing arajar phosau.
Cleared the appointment of the State Chief Information Commissioner, which has become vacant in view of the retirement of Nongplo, IPS retired on the 14th of November 2024. Today, the Cabinet has approved the proposal that Kong RV Suchiang, IAS retired, be appointed as the new State Chief Information Commissioner for the period of 3 years. Procedure is like this. There was a search committee which came up with a panel of names, and this search committee then decided that it would recommend for one particular name, and this name was today placed before the Cabinet, and the name was that of Kong RV Suchiang, and the views of both the law and finance departments were also obtained before the matter was placed before the Cabinet, and the Cabinet decided to agree to this proposal.